front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the top and set up an hour. Now you can adjust your alarm however you wish to. Begin by hitting repeat and applying one of those options, or if you want to adjust it yourself, hit custom at the bottom, scroll down and pick days of the week. You can always use this switcher next to Smart Skip Holidays to enable or disable this option. Go back, click on alarm name, type in whatever you want to and hit OK. Then click on alert mode. Click alert mode at the top to pick one of those options: ring and vibrate, ring only or vibrate only. And over here select custom ringtone to tap on allow and pick any song from your smartphone, or apply one of those by clicking on the best one for you. Go back, tap on remind me later and adjust this option by picking amount of minutes and frequency. You can also manage this option by operating this switcher at the top to switch it off or on. Go back and use this switcher next to remind me later and tell time to enable or disable this option. You can even hit voice announcement here and manage this switcher to turn it on. In this case, hit agree twice, then choose allow or only this time, or disable it. When you finished, go back and this time hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. If you want to manage it, click on it, make any changes here, or tap on more settings and change whatever you want to. Then hit done. To get rid of it, you can always hold it and click delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!